Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and I am beyond furious. Yesterday, I had my eye surgery. My eye surgeon, for reasons known only to her, decided to replace the competent surgeon I had in January, who got rid of the cataract in this eye and put a new lens in. And with the aid of my glasses, I did not need to use my right eye. That's why you see no lens in here. But I could see perfectly well, with the exception of the occasional small print on my Mac. I could see everything in the room clearly, including small print and large print, for the first time in 59 years. Well, she brought in this woman doctor. She got rid of the cataract, and while I'm sitting there, first my arm goes off the chair, and I had to sit there for about 20 minutes. No one noticed it till I said something, holding my thumb like this to keep my arm from falling down. They told me not to move during the procedure. And I finally was able to say, they also said, don't talk, it makes your eye move around. So they finally put my hand, no one noticed this, for 20 minutes. And then this woman takes the cataract and gets rid of it, puts a new lens in. And they had me wear this on the way home. And on the way home, I literally could not see my feet, the sidewalk. Now, this procedure, I was told by the doctor and the anesthesiologist that I will be rid of glasses forever. I have 20/20 vision in my right eye. I can see in my right eye. I cannot see anything now in my left eye that isn't blurred. Now, if I take this iPad, I'm not going to do it. This book, I cannot read the small print where I could before, that far from my face. Can't see it. It's blurred. I cannot read the print in my emails. I probably couldn't read the print on my Mac. I went in there earlier, I could see large print on Fox News. I can't read the small print. And during the procedure, the doctor had to tell this doctor twice when she wasn't doing it right to do it right. Well, obviously, she didn't know what the hell she was doing. That's the second doctor. And I'm not so certain about the first doctor. And I just wrote a 6-page letter to my doctor, and I'm going to give it to her tomorrow, and basically say, what in the hell were you thinking? You replaced a competent doctor who did a good job with someone who does not know what they're doing. And unfortunately, in medicine today, there are far too many doctors who do little for the patient. They are arrogant. They think they know it all. And when the patient had a complaint, they ignore them. Well, they've messed with the wrong guy from Pittsburgh if they think that they're going to let me be blind for the rest of my life because some doctor doesn't know what she's doing. I'm not going to walk around, have everything a blur for however many years I have in my life. And I, at one time, was a paid professional writer, military writer. And I intend to become a paid writer again, or I did before I had the surgery yesterday. So I go in today at 11 o'clock, which is an imposition of my time. We have to check to see if there's anything wrong with the eye. And Kathy's exhausted because she spent 2 days here when she didn't have to. Plus, I was told my doctor, after she said I'll arrange for an overnight visit, I never arranged for an overnight visit. So I may not only have to refuse to have this other doctor operate in my eye again, they're going to have to do another operation. If my vision doesn't improve, I may have to ask for a new doctor. So if you don't see me doing videos, it's because I can't see my Mac screen to write in even titles or descriptions or post them to other sites. This should not be allowed in medicine. I'm not their test dummy. I'm not a dumb person either. because far too many people equate sightedness or lack therein. If you wear glasses, they think you're stupid. Or if you're overweight, they think you're stupid. And I am not a stupid man, by any means. I got a new book last night that someone got rid of. And this, in a sense, is from Pittsburgh. The Handy Science Answer Book, compiled of the Science and Technology Department of the Carnegie Library of Pittsburgh. I can't read it. I can't see the small print. This is a death sentence for me. If I can't read, I can't do iPad videos, I can't play my games, and I can't use my Mac, and I can't watch television on the iPad, what am I going to do? And if you dare to complain to a lot of these doctors, and I've had one doctor say, when I asked him, when are you going to operate on my injured ankle? Eventually. I had another doctor, and I found it wasn't a doctor, said, about my knee that needs to be operated on, my right knee, you need to lose weight. Never told me how much weight. And it turned out when I did an investigation, whoever this guy was, he was not a physician. Where he came from, I don't know. But they brought this Asian guy in who wasn't a doctor. There are a lot of good doctors at UCSF, but there are a lot of other doctors that need to quit the medical profession and go find something else to do. Because the one dictum that has been there for a long time, physician do no harm. And they're doing harm by incompetence, failure to listen to the patient, and failure to do the proper thing at the proper time. And I'm not going to put up with this. You can count on that, so says the guy from Pittsburgh. All right, this is the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay warm and safe and dry out there. Bye-bye for now.